Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Messages. Open a conversation so you can access sticker controls. Tap the app drawer icon next to the text field, then swipe the app row until you locate the sticker pack. Once done, press and hold any sticker from that pack to reveal options. This is how iOS distinguishes individual sticker actions versus pack-level management. Make sure to identify whether you want to remove a single sticker or remove the entire sticker pack from your iPhone. You can remove a single sticker from a message by pressing and holding it. This triggers a contextual menu. Tap Sticker Details or a direct remove option if shown, then choose the appropriate delete action to remove that sticker from the conversation. This only affects your view or that message thread and not the sticker pack itself. If you used a sticker as a reaction, tap the reaction and choose to undo it. Make sure to check the conversation to confirm the sticker is gone. To remove an entire sticker pack, open the app drawer and tap the More icon, 3 dots, which lists installed iMessage apps and sticker packs. Tap Edit, then swipe left on the sticker pack name and choose Delete or Remove to uninstall it from Messages. This frees space and cleans your app row. If the pack persists, restart Messages and check the App Store's Purchased or Manage section to uninstall from the system level. This often resolves sync or cache glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.